In this video, I'm going to show you how I make passive income with cryptocurrency wallets. Now, if you haven't already done so, do take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you can get similar content that can help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The Celsius app is a cryptocurrency wallet where you can store your cryptocurrency and earn interest. You can open an account online, or you could decide to download their app onto your Android or your iOS phone. The interest rate you can earn for each of your cryptocurrencies does vary over time, and as at the making of this video, the highest interest rate that I found is 13.99%. Interest payouts from Celsius occur every Monday, making Mondays something to look forward to. Another cool benefit of using Celsius is it allows you to take out a loan. You use your crypto as collateral and are able to take out half of its value as a loan. So if you have a total of $500 worth of cryptocurrency on the Celsius app, you would qualify to take out a loan of up to $250. You can purchase CEL, which is the native token of the Celsius platform, and it can be used to transfer assets via CELPay, a crypto payment app that allows you to send crypto to anyone, even to those without a wallet. When sending crypto, CELPay generates a shareable link, which automatically creates a CELPay wallet when the recipient clicks on it. Celsius allows its customers to take out loans instantly without the need to provide proof of income or credit checks. So instead of you needing to sell your coins whenever you're strapped for cash, Celsius allows you to borrow dollars using your coins as collateral. Nexo is a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you store your cryptocurrency and earn interest at the same time. It also doubles up as a lending platform that allows you borrow money against your holdings. So you get to enjoy passive income while being a crypto holder without the need to sell your coins. Nexo does have a loyalty program whereby the more the Nexo token that you hold, then the more the interest that you earn. If you choose to earn your interest in Nexo, the native token, then you can earn an additional 2% on your deposits, bringing the interest you can earn on your cryptocurrencies up to 7%, and the interest that you can earn on your stablecoins up to 12%. You also get a greater discount on your loans by holding the Nexo tokens. Interest payments are on a daily basis, as you can see from my Nexo wallet. In searching for the best wallet for your cryptocurrencies, this website, DefiRate.com, might just help you decide which wallets you want to go for.
There's another one out there, Nexo, that has been gaining some traction. And for more on what that platform's been seeing as people turn to try and earn yield on their crypto assets, I want to bring on the co-founder and managing partner at Nexo, Anthony Trenchett, joins us right now. And Anthony, when we look at it, it seems like a no-brainer in kind of explaining this, but there are, I guess, nuances that are different than maybe the way you would interact with the bank. But talk to me about what you've seen here in terms of the growth on your platform and how much money per user might be coming in now.
Well, the growth has been spectacular. Last year, this time around, we had closer to $2 billion of assets under management. Right now, we're sitting on 15, so $1 billion. So that's a 700-800% growth, which obviously in line with the growth that crypto has itself experienced, but we are seeing people who previously were not native to the space come in, experiment with crypto. The Elon Musk, Paul Tudor Jones, and Michael Saylors of their world have had their effect on bringing people in, and quite frankly, in the macroeconomic environment, further exacerbated by the response the governments and central banks have had to the COVID predicaments, all poured in favor of companies such as Nexo and the crypto space overall.
Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them, and I'll meet you in the next video.